So I'll be using this Powerboard for my computer. I particularly like this one. This one has individual switches, that's what I like. And has 8 ports, enough for, well, I'll probably use 6, like monitor, blah 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 blah, whatever. Anyways, this one's from Bunnings, 60 Australian dollars. Not too concerned about the surge protection. Never had it in the last 10 years, so touch wood. The only thing I did notice was this. I don't know what is that. Let's hopefully don't electrocute and burn the house now. Anyways, that's it for this series on how I assemble my computer.